Welcome, here I've got Amazon fake Samsung and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. To take the burst shot we have to tap on the shutter button a little bit longer, let me show you. And as you can see here we have the countdown, and we can take the series of pictures in a really fast way. The maximum number is 40 pictures, we can also change it. So let's move to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this button, we can get access to advanced camera settings. Now we have to focus on this settings bar. We are from the left in general category. Let's move at the center to the photo category, and here we have the continuous shot option, so let's pick it. And we can change 40 shots to 99 shots. So let's tap on it, and when we try to take another series of pictures, now the maximum number is 99. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.